In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a blog in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to the CMS panel. Create a new collection called blog posts. Then add the fields you need such as the title, featured image, category, and rich text content. Create your first blog post by adding a new collection item and filling in the required information. Save and publish the post when you're ready. In the designer, drag a collection list onto your blog page and connect it to your blog posts collection. Add elements like headings, images, and rich text, then bind them to the corresponding CMS fields. Style your blog layout to match your website, preview it on different screen sizes, and publish your site to make your blog live. That's how to create a blog in Webflow. Thanks for watching.